Hello fellow team member, my name is Brandon Cahigas, and I'll be showing you the basics on editing the BreazeHome project's wiki for senior project students. Before you can start contributing, you will of course need a wiki account. Right now the wiki does not provide an option to create an account yourself, so you'll need to ask your team's mentor to get you set up. Right now our mentor is the admin, and if that ever changes, they'll surely point you to who is. Just let them know your FIU email, and they'll sign you up and give you your initial password so that you can sign in. If you want to change your password from the initial one you've been given, just click Settings, and under My Profile, type in your new password, retype it to verify, and simply click Save Changes, and you're done. Now on to making your contribution. This wiki is based on wiki.js, which means it has lots of built-in features that make editing and maintaining the wiki very easy for you. When you're logged in, you'll see this menu in the upper right corner of the page. Starting from the left, we have Delete, which is pretty straightforward. This will remove the page from the wiki. Next, we have Move, which lets you easily change the page's path, making reorganizing the wiki very simple. All you have to do is type in the new path you want. Source will display the source code of the page. Rather than showing the page's full HTML though, this displays the article in Markdown, which if you're not familiar, is a very simple and lightweight markup language that Wiki.js uses. I'll include links in the description to documentation on Markdown syntax and some basic tips, but overall it's very easy and intuitive, and you can learn to write it in no time at all. Moving on. Next is the Edit button, which opens the article's Markdown code in this text editor so that you can make your changes. For example, let's just add a simple secondary header here. When you're done editing, be sure of course to save your changes. As you can see, all of the styling is already handled for us, and Wiki.js will even include any headers you added in the sidebar menu, with more important headers appearing more distinct. This is also just one more reason to make sure that your headers are tiered and organized appropriately in your code. Lastly, Create will make a new page at the path you specify, which opens in the same text editor. When you finish a new page, don't forget to add a link to it from its parent page, or it will be very difficult for users to find. Speaking of links, the wiki is organized in a circular manner. This means that each page should include a link back to its parent immediately after its title and subtitle, and at the end of the article. This ensures that users never lose their place while proceeding through orientation and tutorials in order. Finally, when you complete your contribution, you must notify your project owner via Slack. Be sure to include details about any additions, edits, or deletions you've made. And that's all you need to know to start contributing. Welcome to the team.